Yes, bless. I no promote no form of violence against no man. So me say, real. I no promote no form of hate. But right you know, some little fellows around here, some leaders, should be styled as the late. Yeah man, not great. Burn up the negative leader them. Hey, come make we get to read of them. Hey, cut up the root and cut out the stem. Make them can't breathe again. Burn up the negative leader them. Hey, come make we get to read of them. Hey, burn up the root and burn out the stem. Make them can't breathe again. Wonder how long will it take before you give us a break? Nobody wait until judgment day, 'cause you would die, won't have time to pray. Now you're wondering where you should be, hiding your deeds from the world can see, using the system to stab us in the back, when you're the one should be under attack. But not the negative leader them. Come make we get to read of them. Cut up the root and cut out the stem, but I make them can't breathe again. The negative leader them. But make we get to read of them. Burn out the root and burn out the stem. Make them can't breathe again.
I say it got to take a miracle. It has to take a miracle for Babylon to change my ways. I'm giving them their stormy face. It got to take a miracle. It has to take a miracle for Babylon to change my ways. I'm giving them their stormy ways. Enough of them never practice what them preach, yes. Them is the higher priest from way out in the east, yes. Come and chop up with the Indian and the chief, yes. Righteousness, well, I come to preach, yes. Never you leave from his justice and rights, yes. Know the truth and make sure it you like it. And if it's just a Rastafari, say so and if it be done, boom. I said it got to take a miracle. It has to take a miracle for Babylon to change my ways. I'm giving them their stormy face. It got to take a miracle. Oh, has to take a miracle for Babylon to change my ways. Giving them their stormy